Hello, my name is It's. This is my Hello Reader RC shadowing homework. My dog talks. What is the dog's name? The dog's name is Sam. The name of the dog is Sam. Is Sam a smart dog? How do you know? Yes, he is, because when the boy tells Sam to sit, he sits. Yes, he is, because Sam follows the boy's commands. What does the boy tell Sam to do? The boy tells Sam to say hello, sit, roll over, and do his homework. Can Sam do the boy's homework? No, he can't. No, he can't do the boy's homework. Where do the boy and Sam go for a walk? They go for a walk up and down the block. They go for a walk all around the park. What kind of dogs does Sam meet? Sam meets big dogs, little dogs, long dogs, short dogs, and a mean dog. What kind of ears does Sam have? Sam has ears that go up and down. What does heel means? Heel means come here. What does woof woof means? Woof woof means let's get wet. Where do the boy and Sam go at the end of the story? The boy and Sam go home. There are dogs that have ears that go up. It's true. Sam tries to make friends with a big friendly dog. It's false. Sam tries to make friends with a big mean dog. When Sam says woof, that means let's get wet. It's false. When Sam says woof, that means let's run in circles and get dizzy. Thank you for listening.